welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, this is a new box to this channel, which is the Eyescream box. This is a makeup box. It costs $25 a month. You get 5 to 7 beauty products. It could be tools, it could be makeup or skincare, but I think this box is primarily heavy on the makeup, so that's why I picked this one out to try it out. One of my subscribers recommended that I pick this as a replacement box for some of the things missing off this channel. So let's get into this box and check it out and see what all the hype is about. So guys, this is the box for June 2023. We do get a card inside with the list of the products as well as how much they cost. So we'll just get right into it. And the box comes with all this little packing popcorn, I guess is the best way to describe it, to protect everything. So we're going to get right into this box and pull it. So guys, the first item out of my box, we have a Charmacy product. So we have a double-headed multi-chrome stick by Charmacy. This is valued at $14, and it says monochrome sticks can be used as eyeliner, eyeshadows, or highlighter. So let's see what this thing looks like. How do I get in here? So guys, this is our product here, and again, it says you can see it's double-sided. So this side is an eyeshadow here, and this side is a highlighter. Let's see what this highlighter looks like. Ooh, wow. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting it to be like really super like white and pigmented. I was not expecting that. Look at that. That is crazy. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, wow. Let's see what the other side looks like. Okay. So I'm going to do the other side. Oh, and this looks like a purplish, like greenish, and then looks how it shows up on my skin. Isn't that crazy? Like, these are some crazy colors. It looks like purple, greenish when the light reflects. I would never think that these colors would look like this, but these would be fun to do for like a highlight. Okay, you know, I'm sitting up here thinking in my head, I may want to play with this right now. Where's my mirror? Let me grab my mirror. Okay, let's see. I don't have any highlighter on, so what the hey? We don't have nothing else to do. Let's try it out. Ooh, y'all see that? Oh, wow. And you can like, look at that. Look at that. All right, let me do the other side so I can show you all. Hold on. I wasn't expecting that. And I'm going to just take my finger and rub it in. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, you can have a lot of fun with this. This would be fun for the summer. I like that. I wasn't expecting that at all. Wow. Wow. Had a piece of lint there. See me just pluck that away. We're just going to ignore like that wasn't there. So guys, this Charmacy again was valued at $14. Wow, double-sided. That was really fun. I wasn't expecting any of that. Okay, let's go to our next product. So we have a glitter lipstick made by, is this Qualini Cosmetics, and it's valued at $25. It says it's a very budget-friendly glitter lipstick. So let's just see. Ooh, look at that. She shimmers, definitely. Wow. Let me do a swatch of the lipstick and see what she looks like. Ooh, that is a nice color. Very nice. And I'm over here like, I want to play with this. Hold up. Let's just add it on top of my lip gloss and see what it looks like. Oh, it does have a very pinky. Yeah, it's very pinky looking. Look. Like, I just changed my look. I'm just adding stuff on, playing around with it. But this is pretty cool. And I just love how the outside just shimmers. That is just stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, wow. Very nice. This ice cream box is very exciting. It's exciting. So guys, we also have another product. This is made by ZC, and I don't think I've ever heard of them before. I don't know. Have you guys heard of this company before? I haven't heard of them before. This is a new launch in the box, and it says you are one of the very first to receive this product, and it's valued at $25. And let's see, it says it's made of an adorable shape like a vanity topper. So I see it on the box here. Let's take it out and see what it looks like in person. This is a fun little box so far. I'm liking this. I'm liking it. Okay. Oh, they got it packaged very well. Let's see. Oh, look at that. So, like, look at the colors, guys. That is nice. And this is a highlighter. Well, I don't have any highlighter on. So, that's what it looks like on my finger. Let's, add a little bit. Why not? We're just trying stuff out over here. We're like, we don't have nothing else to do. Hold on. But that's nice. I'm just add a little bit right here. That's nice. I like that. It's light. It's not overly done, but I'm gonna just give you guys like a quick swatch on my hand so you can kind of see it a little bit better. But that's what it looks like on the back of my hand. And then we see that I put it on. It goes on really nice, and it blended out really, really, really nice. Like, I don't feel like it's overdone. I think it blended out really nice. Really cute. Nice. Okay, so what else do we have in here? So, guys, we do have two different shades here. These are like a monochrome eyeshadows. They are made by Shantico Beauty. These are duochrome sparkle shadows, and they are valued at $33. Another new launch. These are the duochrome shades and are very next level creamy and sparkly. Woohoo! Okay, one of these broke, guys. I think, is it yes, it broke. Look. Ooh. Oh, that sucks. And it's everywhere. Let's swatch it because it's already broken and there's pretty much nothing to lose. I don't know if I can put this back together. But yeah, it's broken. Let's see if we can pick up some color here that I can show you guys. Ooh, that is a very pretty color. Look at that one. That is a nice color. Let's see what the other one looks like. Hopefully that one's not broken. So that's that one, guys. That one's not broken, so that's cool. Let's do a swatch of that one. Oh my gosh, look at that. Ah, stunning. So let's go right here with that one. Look at that. Oh wow, it is definitely duochrome. Like, these colors are not playing. I don't know where you might be going. This might be too much for the average person. But it's fun. I think it's really fun. It's really fun. It's a fun palette. So I'm liking this so far. Let's go to our last item in our box, guys. And I did get the Visage eyeshadow palette. And it says Beauty Moon Cosmetics Eyescream Beauty. Okay, so the Visage palette. How much was this valued at? Dude, this glitter stuff is all over my desk. This stuff is messy. So guys, our information about Visage eyeshadow palette says this palette is valued at $20, and it says this is our latest collaboration with Beauty Moon Cosmetics, a popular based indie brand. So let's check out this palette. We do get a little mirror. It's covered up, so I'm going to leave it that way. And let's take a look at the eyeshadow colors. Wow, these are popping. I mean, wow, look at that. These are some really pretty colors. Why is this green right here? I just want to play with this one really. I think you could probably stack this color and that color and really get something really pretty. Wow, I've never, these colors are bright though. I know this is not for everybody, because if you like to keep it looking real basic, you may not even know what to do with this palette. But I think you could stack a lot of these on top of each other and really have a good time with this palette. Is this like monochrome as well? It says it features mattes, shimmers, and some monochromes. The monochromes shift between 3 to 4 different colors. Oh, wow. Well, let's see. The only thing I got left, I didn't use both of these. I guess I got my forearm here. Let's swatch it. See what it looks like. I have nothing to lose, clearly. Nothing to lose. So we're going to start with the green. Let's see what this green. Ooh, look at that. Oh. And this is a matte color, guys, this green. Definitely think you could stack that. Let's see. So this is the green. That's the monochrome. Ooh, look at here, honey. Those two will go really good together. Like, you could really have some fun with this palette. Then we have this color called Aspect. And that's what it looks like on my finger. And that is another matte color, as you guys can see. Then we have Demeanor, which is a black. Very black. And we'll put that right here. Actually, I need a little bit more Demeanor. So it's also another matte color. And we have this. Ooh, look at that. This one is called what? Counterance. Oh my gosh. Look at the color it has on my thumb. Wow. And this is one of the colors that's shifting between a few different colors. Wow. So look, you see how that one is like kind of shifting between purple and wow. It looks greenish on one side. Oh my. That is really, oh my, that's really amazing. So guys, the next color I have is Fizz, which is that one. This one here. So let's see what that looks like. And ooh, wow, these colors are like really popping. Oh wow. So that one looks really greenish looking. Look, wow, like they're very reflective looking. Wow, that is awesome. Then we have Air. And Air looks very white and iridescent. It has a very iridescent look, but it looks silver looking on my arm almost. So look how it almost looks silver. I mean, it's like a white silvery kind of look. Wow. And then we have Pout. Pout is this. And this is how Pout looks right here. So we'll put some Pout on here. And that's how Pout looks on my arm right here. And then the last color is called Affection. And it is a shimmer. Oh wow. This is a very these are very pigmented. My. Look, very pigmented. Look at that. My whole wrist is like popping. These are some really popping colors. I think you could really have a really nice time trying out this palette. So, like I said, in review, we have the Visage eyeshadow palette with the popping colors. We have the Zisa highlighter. We have the Chantico Beauty Duochrome eyeshadows. We have the, what was the name of this lipstick? Koala Cosmetics. I'm sure I'm butchering the name. This glitter lipstick. That's really dope. Yeah. Okalana Cosmetics. And then we have the double-sided highlighter and eyeshadow stick here by Charmacy. So I think this was like a really fun box. I don't know what you guys think, but I think it was a really fun box. $25, not bad. But if you are scared of color, I don't know, this probably ain't the box for you. But if you are willing to be an explorer and have fun with colors and different combinations and kind of get out of the normal like browns and the safe colors, like, but this is like you're going out, you got a club date, you hitting the town, I think you could probably stack these on top of each other and really have a great time with all the different items in this box. And I think that's pretty cool. So guys, thank you for joining me today. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I like to do different subscription unboxings as well as show you guys what I'm buying. If that is something that you're into and you enjoy that kind of content, then this is the channel for you. Please go ahead and tap the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and you'll be notified the next time I post a video. But guys, if you enjoyed today's box or you have comments and you want to discuss the items in this box, hit me up in the comments below. I love chatting with you guys. But until the next time, see you on my next video. Bye!